Introducing the new generation of our magnetic drilling machines with brand new LED switches and comfortable new cushion grips. The made in Germany MAB485 and MAB485 SB are the best seller among the professionals. Ideal for core drilling, keyless quick change system to save time and tool breakage, permanent lubrication for increased tool life. Available in swivel base option for easy position while drilling horizontally or overhead. Calculate cutting speed and know the gear setup with BDS RPM calculator app. Robust and durable oil bath gearbox. Safety feature of magnet adhesion indicator. Variable speed control for fine-tuning the cutting speed. Available in 230 and 110 volts option. A powerful German-make motor makes it super easy to drill diameter 50 mm with TCT and 40 mm with HSS core drill. In 55 mm cutting lengths, 18 mm twist drilling and reaming, 16 mm tapping thanks to the reversible motor, and countersink 40 mm. MAB485 has one 16 mm stroke, Morse taper 2, overheat protection, full wave control electronics, carbon brush wear indicator, complete internal motor cabling, and weighing just 13 kilograms. The premium MAB485 and MAB485 SB magnetic drilling machine, made in Germany by BDS Machines.